this is the latest CT15 Plus in wax canvas from Ctactical. Let's pack this thing up for work, okay? I also want to show you the wax canvas. Of course, it's very hard to do this on camera, but so I have the studio lighting change. The lighting is at 5,000 Kelvin, so this is basically daylight, and I think that should show off the color the best. And I have extra lighting going on, so ignore the shadows, but this is what this blue wax canvas look like. And I really like this. I'm not even a wax canvas person. I really do not like the wet kind of wax canvas. And this one, it's very, very dry. You can hear it. And it feels very smooth. In fact, I don't really feel wax at all, but you can tell even just a little bit of the markings on it as the back get just kind of touch in the studio. I haven't taken this outside yet. So again, I'm going to just show you the color. I'm trying to catch the light here a little bit, and then I'm going to pack this guy up. All right, so this is the CT14. Of course, I like this thing a lot as well. This is in the Robic material, and I've been using this for work. So I'm going to take everything from here, move it over there. Let me show you what I carry first. Wuji water bottle. This is great for water. Laptop. This is a 14-inch MacBook Pro M4, so current model. And then main compartment, a while of 12-ounce cup. So this is for hot liquid. This is for cold. My Air cable kit V3. I have everything I need in here. So this and that and the laptop is really the main stuff, if you like. And then I have a pouch that has my ring gear in here. This thing can be squished down to half the size if I need to. And then there's two other items. One is my Apple M1, so a little older, but MacBook Pro 11-inch with the Apple, whatever the keyboard is called. So it is quite thick compared to the standard just bare iPad Pro. So I have this. And then I've said it many, many times before, as a bag reviewer, I do the pouch plus backpack thing. So this is the Able Carry Hong Kong brand Core Sling Mini. I have basically all the absolute essentials in here, keys and wallet and whatever. And this goes into whatever backpack I'm using so that I can take this in and out as I need them. And usually I put this inside. Let me open this back up. The front compartment in the bottom, and it will just fit in and push a little bit into the main compartment. And then I have a flashlight here, and sometimes I would put other tools in here. So that's it. So I'm going to put this guy away and see if all this stuff fit into the CT15 Lite version, which means it does not have the extra front compartment. So I'm losing an inch worth of depth, which is where I usually put my pouch in. So let's open this guy up. And yep, I have a pillow in there to keep it shape. Here we go. So I'm going to put, actually, let's start with laptop, right? So typically, you will use this side access. So I'm going to take the laptop and let's slide it in here and zip it back up. So that becomes the back, if you like. Now, the iPad Pro, it's interesting. I always have this problem with Ctactical bag. The front stretchy pocket is designed for an iPad Pro, but because I have the keyboard and the pencil, sometimes it's a little too thick. So let's just try this and see how well this works. Oh, I like it. For whatever reason, just from experience, this space is a little wider. So this fits in really well. It's not even pushing this thing out, and the pencil is not caught. So because with a slightly smaller bag, slightly smaller compartment rather, sometimes the pencil get lodged or get pushed out. So this is a very pleasant surprise. And these are still useful. This one is really tight. Let me see if I can find a pen. Here you go. It's a regular pen. So you can clip an extra pen on this side, and this side obviously easier. And where is my flashlight? So this kind of medium size, that fits into there as well. I like that. How about that? And since this is kind of a little bit angled, this is basically just wasted space. So whatever you put in here is not going to take up additional space. So this is really nice. Another thing I think of is maybe a small, thin spray bottle. So that is great. And you can see there's quite a bit of room left. Now, I love these side water bottle pocket. I'm gonna, I think, take this guy and put it into here, just kind of to keep it in. So I do not usually actually carry coffee while I'm carrying the bag. I'm taking the cup into work and then use it when I'm in the office, and then empty it and put it back into the bag. So this is just for storage. Tech pouch in the bottom, that makes sense. I'm gonna zip this up first. So you can see, it's not really taking up any volume. So you can see it fits really nicely. So now the decision is whether I put the water bottle outside or inside. I think I'm going to put it outside. Now, the back outside is a little bit asymmetrical because this side is the laptop side, and then it has a handle, right? So it is kind of the affordance to tell you that, yep, this is the side that you pick up and you get into the laptop. So let's put the water bottle on the other side. So, and this obviously fits easily because this is not a large water bottle. So that is the outside, although yeah, this kind of breaks the look. Maybe I'll try to put it inside next time. Now, the rest of the gear. So the cable kit basically formed a shelf here, and this can go on top. This can go on top. I think that is too small, so let's just do this. And that fits perfectly. So that is now my daily carry to the office. There's a quick access pocket here. Plenty of room. So phone, ID, badges, and whatever knickknacks I can put in there. And in fact, there is enough room up here. I can probably, I don't have anything here, but I'm sure I can roll up a thin jacket and stuff it in here as well. And in that case, I could just throw this in there and it just kind of wedges in. So let me show it to you this way. Right? This is great. Let's put this on. I haven't really adjusted it yet, but it feels okay. It's a little bit low. I want to push this a little bit higher, perhaps. Here we go. So that's a little tighter on body. This is going to be a great pack, I can tell now. As I said, the wax canvas is at least the type that I like. And just to show you, the underside of the strap has this other material on it, so it's very, very comfortable. A little smoother, so it will ride on your body better. And then the back obviously have the channels that are quite well padded. So here we go. The blue, or maybe navy blue, or whatever it's called, wax canvas material on the CT15 Plus, and now I'm ready to take this to work.